Welcome to day 4. This is not what I had hoped for at all. Underneath there, just absolutely wrong. Still got some cleaning to go on down there. Behind the fridge, there's, mushrooms trying to grow. It's nasty. This is what you inherit sometimes when you move into a place, and it's hard to believe that it's going to be beautiful. Painting all of the drawers. The hardware is going to get painted white to match. I had a friend come over today and I'm so grateful for the work that he did. He spent all day helping out with some of the kitchen cabinetry. It's amazing what a fresh coat of paint will do, because that's how beautiful they're going to be. And this is what they used to be. Very dull, very ugly. I can't wait to see the night and day. This is going to be the White House. This is going to be the White House when I'm done. The dark, it's gone. It's going to be white. I can't wait to show you. Welcome to my least favorite room in the house. I'm painting it. It was this horrible kind of blue that didn't match with those tiles, that didn't match with those tiles. Those tiles don't match with those tiles. It's a little frustrating, but I'm painting it white, and I did something you're not supposed to do. I put drywall filler stuff in these little squares because there was nothing in there, and they're supposed to be, and I don't have the right stuff. So I figured if I put in the drywall filler and then put paint over it, maybe it will last for at least a little while. I really don't like the color of this because it doesn't match that. Looking so much cleaner. Okay, I'll be the first one to admit that I have not mastered the corners with this stuff quite yet. I'm just gonna guesstimate. Good Lord. I'm the worst how-to person ever, really. I'm gonna overcut, I think. No, I didn't overcut. Okay. And gosh, I hope it works. Like, really. How in the heck do they do this? They make it look easy. I should read the directions. That's what I should do. That's not right. Okay, I'm just going to cut the bottom part like on an angle. Read the directions, folks. Read the directions. Oh, there we go. Look, I did it. So I just wanted to give you kind of a tour of what it looks like now. And most of this was done with just hard work. Lots of hard work. There's not a ton of money put into it. Maybe $2,000 or a little more than that. Everything's kind of a little crowded right now because we haven't taken the tree down yet. And so the piano is in the middle of the living room, or the keyboard. But this is what it looks like now. A huge improvement, a lot lighter, airier. We're really enjoying our new home. So this is what the dresser looks like that I worked on. All it took was some paint and a little bit of work, and it made a big difference. These tables were so rusty when I got them. I paid $10 for them. I used an SOS pad, and voila, I have an inexpensive kind of coffee table system that works good for our family. And as you can see, it is tight knit. We've had to make use of things like over the door hooks for jackets because there's no closets or storage. Things like wicker baskets in order to hide away the linens and that type of thing. So I had to be creative. But I wanted to show you all of the work that has gone into our home. This is just the upper floor. And there's some photos of the downstairs area and that completion. So I painted the stairs last night. I just want to show you how dirty and yucky it has been, and I want to show how remarkable a bit of cleaning and elbow grease can really improve. I'm going to do this basement entrance. This is gross. I just can't stand this. And it's the entrance to the suite where I intend to have students. You know, I'm not rich, so I'm doing this all on a budget. Really, really, really doing this on a budget. But it's amazing how paint and time and energy can make things so much better. Okay, so under my porch, I noticed this. That doesn't look right to me. I'm not an expert. I'm gonna try the big gap filler. I've used this stuff before and it foams up like no tomorrow. I am not an expert at this. This is maybe not even what you're supposed to use, but this is under my porch. Like it's just, it needs to be sealed up. I don't want bugs and stuff, like, ew, there's spider webs and stuff. So let's give this a try. I'm hoping the can will work because of the fact that I used it before and I don't know. Okay. You pull the trigger. Yeah. Pull the trigger, and the trigger's not working. Okay, try again. Pull the trigger. No, it's not working.